Hi everyone, I'm back. This is Doc Beth, your mental wellness coach. It's been a while and I'd like to check in and to see how you're doing after the earthquake. So if you're watching this video, I'm glad that you are safe. So karon, I'd like to share with you kung saan na to provide a PFA or psychological first aid when there's a disaster such as earthquake. So please take note of four L's. First is look, second is listen, third is link, and fourth is live. Look. So tanaaw nato unsa ni ilang mga panginahanglan. So nanginahanglan ba sila og tubig, pagkaon, shelter, um, medicine, mga hygiene kits, no? O uban pa. So, second is listen. No? So, maminaw ta sa ilaha without any judgments. But when they're not ready to talk, let's not coerce them. But let's assure them that naarata para magsuporta sa ilaha. Third is link. So katong mga nanginahanglan o panalitan medical attention, pwede na to sila i-refer sa mga medical doctors, mga healthcare professionals para maatiman sila. Or katong mga na-trauma, na-experience of trauma, pwede na to sila i-refer sa mental health professionals. And last is live. So, tagaan na to silang hope and healing, no? Tabangan na to silang mapaday ni ilang kinabuhi na ato silang assure nga ang kanang mga disaster, usay unpredictable. So, kinahanglan ta kinahanglan mo magwaligo, maging resilient para life goes on, no? Move forward sila sa ilang kinabuhi. So, I'd like to share an experience, no? Last Saturday, no? So, my family and I organize a donation drive, no, particularly for the victims and survivors sa Tambugon community and Sabugo. So it was a long drive. We were on the road for more than 24 hours, no, to just personally deliver ang katong mga water, mga food bags, medicine, hygiene kits, clothing, and even food, no, for dogs and cats. Um, it's heartbreaking to see katong mga tao, mga babies masakiton sleeping along the road. But it's also very overwhelming na makita ang spirit o bayanihan ng uh, mga Cebuanos na nagtinabangay. Although it caused traffic, no? Pero daghan kaayo jud ang tabangan ug nakahatag og relief para sa kanina mga affected communities. Og if you wish to extend help, please do so in cash or in kind. You can personally deliver your mga relief goods, no? Just ano lang, make sure that you prioritize those na wala pa naabtan og mga tabang. If you also wish to support us, we'll provide you the link kung saan ninyo if you wish to share your resources. So, I know kanisya no nga mga disaster, just like Odette before, or katong mga COVID, makakause ng trauma sa atua. Pero maningkamot ta, no, nga mag-overcome ni nato if there's a need to seek professional help, no mental health professional help, please do so. Seeking help is never a sign of weakness. O if you plan to travel there, make sure nga you plan every needful thing. Okay, kinahanglan mag-amping dyan so that you'll get there safe. You'll also get home safe to your families and loved ones. Again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank those who share their resources. Thank you so much for your generous hearts, and may you be blessed 100-fold. So, ako i-share no, ang nindot kayo na quote ni Victor Hugo. It says, even the darkest nights will end and the sun will rise. So, this has been Doc Beth, your mental wellness coach. Always remember, a healthier mind for a happier you. Amping.